What's up, guys? Kingsley Breaks here. Just filled up. 1819 Hit Parade Autograph Hockey Hat Trick Hobby Series 5. I don't know why the 5 is missing. Featuring Kane, Laine, or an Yzerman. It's a one-box break, 2 random teams, number 1. 1 autograph jersey, puck, and photo per box. Same thing as the rest of the breaks we've been doing, about 100 of these. 2 random teams, 15 total spots, no Vegas Golden Knights. Older jerseys become to the teams they became, like Winnipeg Jets, Hartford Whalers. Go to the Yotes and Hurricanes. Any puck or photo pulled, go to the team represented on the puck or photo. Of course, if there's no NHL team logo on either one of those, we'll go to the team that they're playing for now, currently, or retired team you played for the longest. Any Vegas Golden Knights or non-hockey will be randomized to the group at the end of the break. When I broke some of that, dude, I pulled at least 3 one time in a case. So, but I think you're guaranteed at least 1, but they produce so many of that, so you can always get more. All right, so Mike down in Doob, Last Spot Mojo Ducks down to the Jets. No Vegas Golden Knights. Roll it. 6 and a 4, 10 times. Good luck, guys. 10 times. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I mean, how many of those can there really be? See, actually, you know, they say the tins at Walmart are pretty good value if you think about it. Like the blaster boxes and stuff, tins. All right, 10 times. So there you go. Now let's go 10 times on the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 times. Yotes down to the Panthers. Jack, you're going to get the Yotes. Jason with the Devils and Penguins. Jack with the Flame Stars. Jason with the Caps. Dude, you got the Bruins and the Canucks. Last Spot Mojos. Mike E with the Sabres. Dude with the Preds. Joe Pizzo with the Wings. Neil Dube, you got the Lightning. Joe Pizzo with the Wild. Dude with the Hurricanes, Ducks, and Blues. Nicholas, you got the Islanders. Joe Pizzo with the Hawks. Mike with the Blue Jackets and Jets. Jack, you got the Oilers. Mike with the Avs. Joe Pizzo, you got the Kings. Mike with the Sens. Jason with the Canadians. Nicholas, you got the Sharks, Flyers. Nicholas, you got the Leafs and Rangers. And Mike with the Panthers. You got a Marner Young Gun in those packs that I gave away from the from the spot randoms? Really, that's cool, man. That's awesome. Dude's like, I already sold it. Oh, that's cool, man. See? How much are Marner Young Guns nowadays? I don't think they're super pricey, but pretty solid deal, right? For like a pack at least. Obviously not every pack's gonna be like that, but at least something. Shit. That was better than the spot. No, Joe, you got the Ducks? No, you didn't. You got Hawks, Red Wings, Kings, and Wild. I know, right? Any trades, guys? Any trades? Still not worth 2 Marners. Or still not worth 1 Marner. Alright, trade window close, guys. All right, your team should be scrolling there at the bottom. There you go, dude. Bruins last bomb mojo. Down to Canucks. Alrighty, here it is. Series 5. This is box number, looks like 73. That looks like a 3 of 100. Oh, were you gonna offer him $35 for it at the time, dude? Oh yeah, that's right. No, I forgot. Where's the photo at? Oh, here it is. All right, we got for the Bruins. Stanley Cup champions 1970-72. Bruins autographed photo. Derek Sanderson. Rub it in, huh? Rub it in. Alrighty, next one we got for the Avalanche. And that's Raymond Bourque. Colorado going to Mike E. Boston, last bomb mojo, that's you, dude. And then this is going to Mike. So you got the first hit, Mike got this one. Alright, and then we got the jersey. Briere. Is that a Daniel Briere jersey? I think it is. And what is this? Did he play for... Is this an old school jersey? Oh, wow. Wait, is this Daniel Briere or no? Buffalo. Wow, that's a big-ass autograph. That's nice. I think it's a custom one, but still, pretty cool jersey. Old school, right? Nice autograph as well, right? Buffalo, sorry, not Bruins. Buffalo Sabres going to Mike E. Wow, nice one, Mike. When did Briere play for the Sabres? I didn't even know he played for them. Well, he played for a long time, I guess so. All right, guys. Well, there you go. That was the break. I'll post another one. I do only have a couple of these. I'm using some other ones for some mixers that I'm going to be posting. But we got another one in the store. I'll put one up. Kings Elite. We'll see you.